Here's what happens if you apply toothpaste with tomato on your skin. This natural remedy is the best way to have beautiful skin without pimples, blackheads, blemishes, or wrinkles. Before I tell you what comes next, make sure to save the video to avoid losing it. First, cut a tomato into small pieces and use a strainer to extract all the juice. Then add 3 tablespoons of tomato juice to the bowl. Tomatoes are rich in antioxidants and vitamin C, which can brighten the skin and reduce pimples and blemishes. Now add a tablespoon of toothpaste. Toothpaste often contains fluoride and whitening ingredients that can help dry out pimples and reduce their size. Mix well until you have a smooth paste. To use this treatment, apply it to your entire face, leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes, and then rinse it off thoroughly with warm water. Be sure to save the video and subscribe for more natural recipes. Please forward this video to your good friends.